Today we're trying 2 easy, keto-friendly, super low-carb air fryer recipes. Sarah and I really love using low-carb tortillas for everything.
And they work well.
They do work well for the most part, but you know, Sarah and I have tried a new, what's not new to you guys, a different product that has opened up our heart and our mind to a different way. And that is using egg life wraps. Hear me out. I thought that these egg life wraps could only be eaten soft, but it turns out they make an amazing chip. When you bake them in the oven, you spray them. So we figured we should start trying different recipes with these egg life wraps in a crispy way in the air fryer because I think we're missing out. And it just might be a more healthier choice overall if you're trying to lose weight on your weight loss journey. So we're gonna be trying to make 2 different recipes in an air fryer. We got 1 package of the everything bagel because we could only get 1 package of the unflavored one. So we're just gonna use it anyway.
They even have a sweet version.
They do have a sweet version, but we're not doing any recipes like that today. So the first recipe we actually saw, it was inspired by the Egg Life Wrap TikTok channel, and it is for air fryer taquitos. We're gonna be cooking these in our new air fryer, and it is the Type Dome 2 air fryer. And they are the sponsor of this video. And honestly, this is not your typical air fryer. So the biggest differences are the shape of the air fryer and the way it cooks. So with typical air fryers, the baskets are deep and pretty small. This basket is huge, so you can fit everything in and cook it in 1 layer. So it gets everything really crispy without having to take it out and flip it or shake it halfway through. You can cook up to 32 wings in 14 minutes, or 10 strips of bacon or 2 steaks in just 10 minutes, which is perfect for a quick low-carb meal. It also has dual heating elements on the top and the bottom. So the bottom of whatever you're cooking is gonna crisp up way better. And one thing I noticed right away is that it's quiet. It's on right now. And typically air fryers are really loud to me. I don't know if you feel the same way. And this air fryer connects to the Type app. It lets you monitor cooking remotely, adjust the settings, and access recipes and presets directly from your phone. And it also has a self-cleaning mode, which I wish every air fryer had because it's really difficult to clean that top heating element. The Type Dome 2 air fryer is at its lowest price of the year right now. Use code KETOTWINS on the Type website for extra savings or check the links below for the best deal. Thanks to Type and let's get started cooking our taquitos. So we saw the idea for these low-carb taquitos on the Egg Life Wrap page, but we're kind of going with our own gut on this because
we made a taquito here.
And we liked it. It was creamy. So for this, you could use whatever kind of protein you like. We are using chicken. This is just some pre-made shredded chicken. This is 2 cups. To that, we are gonna add 6 ounces of softened cream cheese. Is this soft, Sarah?
Not soft enough for your liking.
6 ounces of softened cream cheese, a couple tablespoons of taco seasoning. This is by Siete, I think. We're gonna add some salsa and some sour cream. I will be leaving it like what I'm doing in the description below, all the amounts. We're gonna not blend, but fold everything together until it's combined.
This probably would make a bunch. There are 6 Egg Life wraps in each packet, so at least make 6.
I forgot the cheese. We're gonna put about 1/4 of a cup of shredded cheddar. Now, what's my issue, Sarah?
Everything?
Yeah. I think that she would say that I tend to overfill everything.
Yeah, how many tablespoons go in each? Maybe we should watch the video of how they fold it. Seems like they are very stretchy, so that's good.
I'm going to put a couple tablespoons towards the middle. But this, it's always like...
The first one's a guess. Big veiny hand incoming.
Ha! Bam.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be putting them seam side down into the basket.
Is that the seam side down?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
And then,
I don't know, maybe.
boop, like this.
Maybe turn that other one a little bit more? I would say the seam is not down.
What if you could do egg rolls? Anybody ever thought of that? I have not heard anybody talk about that. Although I may just be like in denial because I was in denial about liking this for a long time, so what do I know? But then I changed my mind.
Because I made chips out of it.
Right. And I tried them and I said, these are actually really good. Plenty of room.
Yeah, it's a very big basket. Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do a touch of avocado oil. I don't think you have to spray them, but I'm gonna do it. We're gonna go at 400 for about 5 minutes. My food is ready. I know because I got a notification. I didn't expect that. Plate these up. They are hot and bubbling.
Smell really good.
I may have put too much
filling,
but look at it, it just comes right off here.
Okay, we're gonna put these aside and start with our second recipe.
Okay, now we have our everything bagel egg life wraps. We're gonna be making pizza out of these. And we think that we should maybe preheat them and get them nice and crispy beforehand. So that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put them directly into our air fryer basket. We could probably fit like 4 in here if we really wanted to, but we don't need to make that many today. There's only 2 of us here. How long, Sarah?
No,
5 minutes.
No.
4 minutes. They actually are kind of hard a little bit and they're slightly brown. This is not to cook them fully, of course. We're gonna put them back in, but This is organic pizza sauce, no sugar added. I don't like too much sauce on my pizzas, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Mozzarella.
Plenty of pepperoni. Obviously, this is a personal pizza.
Oh, it's a personal choice.
And a personal pizza. But you could have a couple of these because
they're very low in carb.
They're very low in carb.
I think it's 1 carb for 2 egg life wraps. Salt, pep. I don't know if that's right. That's just how I do it. We're gonna put this directly on the tray. Okay, let's try 7 minutes by 400.
No, I think
it's pretty strong, but okay, fine. 5 minutes.
Yeah, let's not push it. Okay.
All right. That looks good. I think that if we were to cook it longer and higher, it would start to curl because it's a very powerful air fryer. This thing is no joke. I don't know why I'm putting it on here. I should put it at its final resting place now. Is that how you say it? No. Final resting plate.
It's in your stomach.
All right. We need to put some basil on this.
Okay.
I asked Sarah to go get some basil.
I only have 2 leaves.
It's like $5 to buy it on
that's
at grocery. This is what you brought me back.
That's all I have. That's from my basil plant that's out there that's currently suffering because I took away half of its primary leaves. So you should feel bad for it.
Usually with using your own herbs, you have more of a
bounty.
I like to use 10 times the amount typically of basil, but okay, we're gonna go downstairs and try our taquitos and our pizza. So we have our air fryer egg life wrap taquitos with a touch, a little sour cream, some jalapenos, a little salsa, and the pizza. Excited? Hungry? I would just do a little dollop of sour cream, and then I'll stick a jalapeno to that. Okay. Tastes like a taquito to me. Could be a little bit crispier. I think we're nervous because we're new to that air fryer.
It works really well.
It's very, very strong, so we're kind of like nervous to overdo it, but probably could have gone a couple more minutes.
So they also have a southwestern version of the egg life wrap that would work really well here because it has like a cumin undertone on it. So I have tried those before and they're super good as well. I made chips out of those too. So yeah, this is a very versatile recipe and you can eat a bunch of them because there's barely any carbs.
Very good. I don't really even miss the tortilla, surprisingly. I never thought I would say that. The flavor is just so good.
And we are tortilla people.
Yeah. Here we have our pizzas. They look lovely. You can see the specks here of the everything bagel seasoning. That's just because we couldn't get another package of the unflavored, but hey, maybe it'll be good. People eat pizza bagels.
Yeah, why not?
It's not like we're putting like cinnamon on it. Oh, very good.
Mine is definitely getting crispier on the edges. It's not as crispy, I guess, but even with the tortilla, it's not going to get that crispy, I would say. But it's a nice vessel for toppings. And you can also make multiple of them and eat them.
You don't have to feel guilty.
It's
been like a couple of years since these really exploded onto the market. And I just said no.
I feel like we tried maybe it many years ago before we thought, you know, we had all the experience of kind of like manipulating products to make them how we like them. And yeah, I saw someone make chips out of it and I was like, oh, I need to try that.
I think one of the things is because it's refrigerated and it's wet and kind of cold to the touch, I just like it always seemed like it would be like good for like soft wraps, never like a crispy wrap. And I'm a crispy person. So
you wouldn't think that it would get crispy. I wonder what else we could do with these wraps. Kind of curious. Maybe in the sweet realm. I've seen people make like crepes with them, like fillings.
I've seen that too, but I always just like said no. Maybe I need to be more open.
It's a lot of eggs. That's the thing too, is like there's a lot of protein in these wraps, right? I don't know how much.
I think so.
Yeah.
Like I feel like I ate a lot, and all I ate was a pizza.
Yeah, I'm pretty full already.
And one taquito, and I feel like I'm somewhat full. It's like a lot of volume. Volume eating is one of the things that people do now. It's like a lot of salad, a lot of vegetables. And this fits that because you're not going to be eating that many carbs or calories really. This is a pretty, I would say the inside, the filling that we did is high calorie, but you could always do it lower calorie if you wanted.
Yeah, just do no cream cheese, just a chicken and maybe a sprinkling of cheese. Not our style, but doable.
And YouTube seems to think that you're gonna like this video here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out. Stick my jalapeno on top there. Boop.